everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a random haul from Cherryz to share with you. And all the products are in this massive box. And I just thought I'd show you what I've bought. Cherryz is an online store. It also has an app and you can buy anything you can think of. Maybe there's no fashion products there, but you can buy things for the house, you can buy things for the garden, you can buy things for a baby, you can buy food, you can buy things for pets, anything you can think of really. And it might be here. The products are very similar to what you might find in a B&M or a Home Bargains, but the difference is that you can order online. Because I've set up an account with them and I've shopped with them a few times, they have given me a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive, I think it's £5 off a £15 or more spend. So if you're interested in taking a look at Cherryz for yourself and you want to use my code, then you will find that down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and links and codes and things will be listed down there. For standard 2 to 3 day shipping it will cost you £3. For next day delivery it will cost you £6. Or if you're going to be shopping on Cherryz regularly, then you can opt for a subscription which will cost you £1 a month for unlimited delivery, and you can cancel any time and it billed annually. So I'm assuming you pay £12 up front and then you've got a whole year then to purchase products from Cherryz and have free shipping. I believe there's free delivery anyway if you spend over £20, and in order to shop on Cherryz you have to have a minimum spend of £10 or over. So all that information I'll pop down in my description. So let's get on to showing you what random products I have bought. Most of these items cost £1, but a few of them were a couple of pound each. Yeah. I'll start with these then. These are gone. See, this box came just before I went to Greece. So the kids have been at it. So we've got here fish and chips, sport, and vinegar flavoured baked snacks. There's a pack of 5 in there. Love these. Never had a chance to try them. Yeah, they're gone. What else is there? Oh yeah, a ball as well. So bad. This is so bad. I bought a pack of 3 balls for the dog. 2 of them are gone. So they've been in there. I think that's all they've had from this box, I'm sure of it. But yeah, just nice little bouncy balls there. Then I went for a pack of 4 egg boilers. Now, this is the one thing I love about Cherryz. It has items that I would never think, oh, I need to go to the shop. I need to buy egg boilers. I need it. I have to get them. I'd never think that. If I saw them in the shop, I'd think, ooh, handy. This is why I like Cherryz. So a pack of 4 egg boilers. Oh look, squidgy. So what do? Do you twist it like that? Yeah. So you put your egg in there, twist it, you put them in the saucepan and boil it. What they tell you to do in the picture there. Oh, I can't wait to use them. Next I got a measuring jug. We have got measuring jugs in the kitchen, but you might not be able to see there. But all the writing on them have come off and it's really annoying. So I just thought I'd get another one. It is handy because it's got mLs, it's got like half a litre, quarter of a litre, 1 cup, 2 cup, etc. So it is a little handy measuring jug there. And I like the colour. What's that? What's this then? Oh yeah. Pet travel water bottle. So this is for Maisie, our golden retriever. So you put your water in there and then I don't know, do you squeeze the water out and it comes there, or do you just do that, tip it in there? And then she's got like a little travel bowl then, so she can drink her water easier. I just thought it was brilliant. Yeah, a little dog travel bottle. Then I got some pet food scoops. Don't need them. I don't need them. So it might be handy for a pooper scoop outside as well, maybe. Got 2. We have got some Mexican Old El Paso enchilada, the kit, cheesy bake, and this is mild. We love these kits. They tend to be quite expensive, like in Tesco's moisturisers, Morrison's I mean. But their own brands are really affordable. But yeah, we love enchiladas. We love making tacos. So yeah, can't wait to give that a go. Then I got some baked beans. I'm giggling all with everything I've chosen, aren't I? It's because I can't really remember what I've chosen. Branston baked beans. It's Good Housekeeping Institute, taste approved since 2019. So yeah, so there's a 4-pack of baked beans there. It's nice to have on toast. Now this is a little bit excessive, but I do really like them. And they're going to fall. They are going to fall. I've got naked noodles. These are naked Chinese style chow mein egg noodles, and I think they were like 70p each or something like that. I really like them, just as a quick, handy, on-the-go snack. I love the teriyaki ones. Those are my favourite. I absolutely love those. I'm not sure if I've tried the chow mein, which I really hope I like, because obviously I've got 6 of them now. Next, I've got some dehumidifiers. Now, I bought some in my last haul, and they are brilliant. I have got them on the floor to the side of me here. I've got built-in wardrobes, and I noticed that the backs of the walls were damp and they had mould on, which is awful because all my clothes and shoes and everything are in there, and my husband's. So I bought a couple of these dehumidifiers a couple of months ago, and they are brilliant. They work a treat, and I'm sure they're £1 each. £1, £1.50 each, and they're still in there. I haven't changed them, and they've been in there a couple of months. You can see the liquid rising, so I've bought 2 extra ones to swap now with the other ones. But is this one, yeah, this one's got scent. This has got a lavender scent with them. The other ones haven't, but it prevents damp, mould and mildew, and it stops mould. These are brilliant, really great. So 2 more of those. Next, I bought some of these. These are travel adapter plugs. So you can see here, they're the 2-pronged ones, so really handy for going to Europe. I think these are £1 each as well. They're just really affordable compared to other places where you can buy them. We're hoping to go on holiday next year. We've had this holiday booked since 2019, and we keep on changing it. So hopefully now next year we can actually go. But we've all got phones and cameras and things like that. So yeah, we need quite a few of these. Next, I got a little duster. Now this looks bent. Why is it bent? Oh no, it's not. What's it say here? Extendable microfiber duster. Look. Really great for getting in the corners of rooms and the ceilings. I just thought that was really nice. I couldn't resist it. And it bends. Look, I'm sure I'm not breaking it. Yeah, look, it bends. No, I don't think I'm breaking it. Got a microfiber little duster there. Then I went for a knee support. Told you this box is random. Knee support. So we've got a Pro Plast knee support and compression without restricting movement in size medium. And I don't know, it's just a handy thing to have in the I've got to stop saying that word handy. I've got to stop saying it. It's an item that could be very useful to have in the household. You know, and I bought it thinking about like cycling and knees and stuff. So yeah, it's just a knee compression sock. And then lastly, we've got some Dr. Beckman Glow White Maintains Whiteness, and these are 3-in-wash sachets. So especially in the summer months, my clothes, especially when I'm wearing white, my clothes tend to get a little bit stained due to like suntan lotion and things like that. So having something like this will help get rid of the stains. Well, I hope so anyway. I'm not sure if I've tried this one before, but effective from 20 degrees upwards. White stay white, prevent greying, no need to soak. So yeah, so there's 3 in there. Those are all the items I picked for my recent Cherryz haul. Got a bit of everything, haven't I? Got a bit of everything. Although saying that, my daughter did say to me, Mum, did you see they've got Body Shop products on there at the moment? And I was like, no, I didn't notice there's Body Shop products on there. And she goes, yeah, there's a few products on there. And I'm like, oh. Okay, so I know for next time now. But also with Cherryz, they go with the seasons as well. So coming into autumn, we'll see more Halloween, more what happens in autumn besides Halloween, just more cozy things like candles, burners and things like that. And then coming into like December, wintertime, Christmas, you see lots of like Christmas decorations. So it's pretty much like a Home Bargains or a B&M, but think of it online. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you shop with Cherryz? What do you think of it? Or are you hearing about this for the first time? I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.